myself Madhumita Mishra, your science teacher. Welcome you all to science class today. So dear students, today we are starting our chapter number 7, Amazing Animals Part 1. In this chapter, we will learn about animals are found everywhere, a particular area where animal lives, and different types of habitat. So let's get started. Dear students, as you all know, we can find animals everywhere. There are different areas where we can find them. We can find them in desert, polar region, ocean, air, and mountain. So animals are choosing a place to live according to their body structure. They all are found in the different areas for their survival. As I have told you, we can find them in the ocean region, we can find them in air, and also they are available or we can see them in ocean, in water bodies. So, an particular area where animals are living, growing, eating, and also reproducing with their growth, we say it is a habitat of an animal. The animal can make its own home within its habitat. Just let's take an example. If you go to the forest, in the forest itself you can find out that it is a habitat. A complete forest is a habitat. There many animals are living together. Like we can say lion, monkey, snakes, they all are living in the forest area. But all these animals are finding different areas in the forest to survive. For example, some are living on trees, some are living on dens, some are living in the soil. So different animals live in different habitat. The main habitats are forest, desert area, polar regions, high mountains, oceans, as well as freshwater bodies. For example, lakes and rivers. Now, let us understand the first type of habitat, that is forest. Forest is a very big area, means it is a vast and a large area where we can see different types of trees and different types of plants in a large amount, in a huge amount we can see them. A large variety of animals are living in forest. We cannot see only one animal. There are different categories and different groups of animals are living. So different animals live at different places in the forest itself. In forest also you can find them in different area. If we take an example to understand, tigers and lions, they are living in caves and den, and they are surviving there. Also we can find birds as well as monkeys. They are also living in the different areas like on the trees. Snake also live in forest. Birds live on forest. Snakes are making burrows. They are making holes and they are living. Rabbits are making burrows and they are living. So in this way, forest is a quite large area where we can find different animals in the different areas of the forest. The next type of habitat is desert. Desert is a place where no water and very less plants are available. So the complete sandy land area that is not having a sufficient water source and also having very less green vegetation, that area is known as desert. The desert area is very much dry. It is a complete dry place and also very hot. The temperature is too high in the desert area. In the desert region, it is very difficult to find water. Hardly we can find water in desert region. During the daytime in desert area, it's too hot. At the same time, during night, you can find there is a cold temperature. On night is cool. We can say night is cool. Now, the desert animals have some of the special body structure. We can find different types of desert animals in this region. They are having different body structure. Like what kind of body structure they have? Some of them can bury themselves under the ground during the day to keep cool. Some have a very thick skin to save water. So, as they can save water in their skin, they can survive well. We can find the ship of desert that is known as camel. It is found in the desert region. So, a camel can store fat in its hump, and the fat stored in a hump is used as a food when needed. So, it is having a quality to live without water for longer period of time. And also, camel have a long leg. These long legs are helping it to keep its body away from the heat of the sand. They also have one body feature which is playing very important role in the protection of themselves, like they have a long lashes on its eye which is protecting its eye from the sand. Next habitat I am going to explain is polar region and mountain region. It is an area which is very cold. These mountainous regions and polar regions are very cold places. They are covered with the snow. Different types of animals are found in these regions. We can find these areas are having snow in their surrounding. The animals like polar bears, seals, and penguins, we can find them in polar region. They all are living there and surviving. The reason behind it is they can survive in that cold region because that area is providing them a feature, that is their body is having a thick covering, or they have fat, they have a layer of fat under their skin which is protecting them from the cold. They have a layer of fat under the skin which is keeping them warm in that cold region. Some of the animals or some of them have thick fur also. Along with the thick skin, they have thick fur. Various birds which are living in the polar region, the example is you can see here, that is penguin. They have very thick as well as very dense feather on their body which can keep their body warm and save them from the cold regions. Also, we can see ptarmigans in that polar region. They also have feather in their body and helping it to keep it warm. The next type of habitat is ocean. Ocean is the largest habitat on the earth. We can find variety of fishes in ocean. So large variety of fishes are found in the oceans, like we can say blue whale, octopus, sharks. They all are found in the ocean. Different types of fishes you can see in the ocean region. They are living under water. Now, next type of habitat is freshwater bodies. Freshwater bodies like rivers, lakes, and pond. They all are included into freshwater bodies. Various animals again we can find in the freshwater bodies like fishes, frogs, as well as salamanders. We can find them in the freshwater bodies. Frogs as well as salamanders, they are included in the category of amphibian because they can live both on land as well as in water. So they are known as amphibian. So here we complete the first part of our chapter number 7. The next part I will tell you in the second part of the video. Thank you.